Hello everyone, welcome to class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 1, Changing Trends and Careers in Physical Education. And today's topic we are going to learn, that is Career in Physical Education, Part 2. In Part 1, we have learned the traditional career, as well as we also learned related to the health related career. In traditional, we have learned related to the teaching career and coaching career. And today we are going to learn rest of other careers in physical education which are emerging in today's lifestyle. So let's start with the administration related career. Let us know that what is an administration related career. So administration related career opportunities are available in various fields such as management of sports club, sports marketing, promotion, sports administration. These are the administration related careers, where in the western countries the various courses is being offered related to the sports management, but in our country we are lagging, but they have just started to introduce this type of career in sports management. Now subjects are being taught at both the levels. As you know that wherever we may find out the physical education college, in that the subjects are being taught at undergraduate as well as postgraduate level in the field of physical education. You can see that such types of subjects are being taught in the physical education college or universities. The career related to the administration in physical education are as follows. We are having like Department of Physical Education. So where you may find out Department of Physical Education in university or college, they are having a Department of Physical Education, and you or a person who wants to develop the career in the field of physical education, they can join the Department of Physical Education or they can get a job in that. So here in this Department of Physical Education, what does the job they are having? The physical education teacher or the clerical staff work under the chairperson or the head need to be performed. So here in this, the teachers, the senior teacher of the department, they can be usually be act as a chairman. So in our country, there is no need to of separate management qualification for such post, because it has been typically based on the seniority. So as the senior person, so they will be getting the chance to move at the higher position. So here Department of Physical Education, they used to look after the administration as well as the other clerical work, they used to look after that. So here you are having an administration related career. You are having first point is Department of Physical Education. Then sports department. Here the sports department, when we are talking about the sports department, here also the job opportunities are being there for physical education teacher if they have acquired a good qualification, as well as they have played at the national level, or they have represented themselves at the international level, and here they might have done NIS related to the coaching. So the director of the sports are being responsible for the administration of the various program. Now here there is a chance of DSO. For example, you have observed or you have seen that we used to participate at Gujarat level, or we used to participate at the state level. So here what happened, in order to play for the state level, we used to represent first district level first. So we are having that DSO, that is district sports officer, at the different various districts. They used to organize the tournaments related to any of the games or sports, and that means that DSO is been appointed only when they are having developed themselves in physical education related to their, if they have done NIS, or if they are having national certificates, or if they represented themselves at the higher level in sports, then they are also getting the chance to become a sports director. So here the designation of AEO for related to the sports and ADEO, that is district education officer, assistant district education officer, is given to them. There may be a post of assistant director of sports at the university level to assist the director of sports. University also director of sports are being appointed, so that are being related to the sports department. So what is their role? They are going to fix the date that when the tournament is to be organized, how many officials are being required, planning for the transportation of the players from one place to another place. then lodging and boarding, where they are going to stay, which place they have decided for the match. So date and everything is been fixed by the sports director. So the sports department also have administration related job such as district sports officer at the district level. So these people, they used to organize, and if you want to get a job of the in the sports department, or if you want to become the director in sport, then you must be having a knowledge of physical education, related to physical education. You might be having represented at different levels, either at the state level, national level, or international level. You might be having done NIS. That means that you must be having certificates which are being related to the sports, and the chances will be that you can get an opportunity in the administration related career in the sports department. Then industrial recreation. Now here, when we are talking about industrial recreation, that has been included in the administration related career. Now in industrial recreation, you have seen that many of the national companies or multinational companies, like the company we are having here, so here they are used to give an opportunity to their employee for the recreation purpose. So that means that because many of the companies, they lay stress on the health, fitness and wellness of an employee. So what they used to do, they used to organize the tournaments or competitions that is considered an inter-companies tournament or inter-department tournament. You have also seen here. So that is the industrial recreation, but these are being these industrial recreation are being provided to the employee, so that there is an, if the employee used to be happy and well, and fitness is also good, then they are going to increase the production, which is benefit for the companies. So here in industrial recreation is also been considered one of the administration related career. Then we are having here as in sports facility management. So sports facility, when we are talking about sports facility, you may have observed that in many of these big cities, that many of the people, they used to join the clubs. They because they want to keep themselves healthy and fit, so they have joined the clubs. And in the clubs, you may find out that there is a facility or related to the gym, health club, fitness centers, stadium, sports complex, ice arena, aquatic, well, related to swimming pool. Everything you may find out in that club. So such facilities managers are required, because in order to look after all the areas of the sports management, they require the person who used to manage and who used to do their duty well. For example, if we are having a gymnasium, then for the gym, any of the person who has joined the club, they used to do the exercise, and in order to any one of the person might be there, so that they can observe them, that whether they are doing correct exercise they are performing or not, because they also used to monitor the safety during the workouts which are being done by the individual who have joined the club. So facility manager also teaches the exercise classes or monitors the individual workout. So his or her main responsibility is the safety of the individual using the facilities. Safety is must. So you can also get an opportunity, you can also develop the career in the sports facility management if you used to get a job. So these are the careers which are being related to the administration. So where you can develop yourself or you can develop your career. Then second, we are having, that is performance related career. When we are talking about performance related career, so there are performance of a player or a performance of an officials we are talking. So performance related career opportunities are also available for the players and officials in the field of physical education, because here the performance, when we are talking about the performance, the better the performance, the better the chance the official or the player will get in future. So here the participant take part in the games and sports at the different level, either it may be state level, national level or international level, representing our country, but only highly skilled performer reach to the top level. So here you have seen that we are having different cricket academies are you have observed. In that academy, what happens, that the player, those who are performing well, those who are more skilled, highly skilled, only they are going to get the chance to play at the state level or in the Ranji Trophy or at the our international level. So you have seen that many of the players, those who are representing our state, so they used to perform, but only those who are performing who are highly skilled, so they can reach at the top level. So if the player has represented at the national or international level, they have various opportunities for the job in the government sector also. We have also observed that in sports quota they used to get selected, they used to get a job. Either it may be from the railway. You have seen that many of the sports person, they used to represent railway. You have seen in the movie of MS Dhoni, in that he has got the opportunity in the sports quota and he has got the job in railway as a TC or ticket collector. He has got the job. So there is an opportunity for the player because they are performing better. So that's why you can also develop your career in the performance related being as a player. So as an official, there are the various opportunities in the field of the physical education, either full-time or part-time officiating. Career related to the performance are as a player. You can develop your career in physical education, and as an official also you can develop the career. So as a player, you can see that if you are participating at different level, you will get an opportunity to play at the higher level, and if highly skilled performer will reach to the top level. So here what happens, the career of those who pursues the sports career are for a short duration. But in our country, good sports career are available in cricket, lawn tennis, marathon race, and nowadays you can see that pro kabaddi league is also being played. Then we are having football premier league. So in that you can develop the career, but that has been starting, that is emerging in our country. So many jobs are being available. If they are the if the sports person are more skilled, highly skilled, then they are getting an opportunity on the basis of the sports quota in the defense, in the bank companies, in the railways, in the industrial corporations, and many more. So you can see that many of the sports person in western countries or in outside countries or developed countries, they are being highly paid. For example, we are having Martina Navratilova. You have seen that she is been world highest paid sports person through the commercial advertisement. Many of our sports person, they used to observe in the TV or television, that they used to perform themselves, and they are also representing themselves in the advertisement, commercial advertisement. They are being highly paid sports person. So you can develop the career as a player. Then as an official, you can also develop your career, because officiating might be part time. For example, if some of the places where the tournaments are being organized, and if you get an opportunity to for the officiating in the tournament, then you will be getting as in part time, that whenever you are required you will be called, otherwise you are going to sit at your home. So here we are having for the official, there are the part time also and full time also. Full time is where you have made the agreement that whenever we are having a tournament at any of the place or any of the place in our district or in our state or in our country, then you will be along with us. So here the full time opportunity for the officials, because as an employee, as you can see that such type of career you can develop as an official, where you can get a chance. And during the tournament, the duty of an official are like an umpire, referee, timekeeper, recorder, or scorer. So in officiating, must possess good officiating mechanics, because it is very much necessary that you need to give a good decision or correct decision, because good official must be able to work under the pressure also, because when you are officiating, it's the officials are having lots of pressure to give the proper judgment. A wrong judgment can create problem during the good matches. So the correct decision must be given by the officials. So officiating can be a challenging career, but in our country it is still budding stage, and less number of competitions are being held as comparison to the other countries. In our country, the related to the sports, because here the sports in our country is played less as compared to the western countries or developed countries. So you can have the career, performance related career in as a player, as an official also. Then next we are having, that is career in communication media. When we are talking about the communication media, that means it is related to our television, radio, newspaper, magazines, and that all. Whereas there are the various character in communication media. Communication media includes radio, television, newspaper, magazine, etc., and their contribution which enhances the various career opportunities in sports communication. And there are lots of opportunity in the sports communication also as a career. You can develop your career as a sports communication. So communication media includes what? There are the careers like you can develop yourself in a like sports broadcasting, book publishing, sports photography, etc. The careers related to the communications are being, you can see the mentioned below. The first career is being mentioned here is as a sports journalism. So in sports journalism, you can see that the physical educator who has a talent in writing may opt a career as in sports journalism. They can develop themselves as a career in sports journalism also. Those who are very good in writing, so here they get an opportunity to work with the newspaper and the sports magazines, because you have seen that in the newspaper and magazine there are the some of the columns or the space is being provided where the sports related to the sports everything is being mentioned in that career of the newspaper in that newspaper or in the magazines. So sports journalists may write live event, may feature and features articles about the sports person and various topics about the sports they used to write down. But who can do this? Where they are having a good knowledge related to the sports, only they can perform better. So here the stories based on the research, compiling the statistic, interviewing the player and coach are all the functions of the journalist. Everything is should be mentioned. The sound of the background of the physical education can be beneficial to a sports journalist. So here you can also see that the sports journalist with a knowledge of the sports psychology may be better to explain the public why some sports person fail to perform under pressure. Many of the time it happens that why the player has has not performed well. What is the reason? Because they were under pressure. And if the any of the sports person has got the injuries in the ligaments, whatever may be, so the person must be having a good knowledge related to the sports biomechanics also. Then sports physiology also, they must be having a good knowledge. Then only they are able to give the explanation, or they can write down in their stories well. So then the second we are having book writing. So you can also develop your career in communication media as a book writing, because career opportunities are widely available in the book writing in the field of physical education and sports in our country. So there are the various sub-disciplines in physical education, like we are having sports psychology, sports biomechanics, sports management. So there are the various books are also being researched, there are various books which are being published. So in order to write down the book, you must be having the knowledge of all these various subjects, and you must be having more interest in that subject. So to may write this textbook, considering this as a part-time career, you can also have this as a book writing as a career. Then third point we are having, that is sports photography. You can develop your career as a sports photographer also, where you can see that the career is being applicable only to those physical educators who are having the keen interest in the photography and strong desire to communicate to the public the true meaning of the sports through photographs. So that means whatever the career which you are going to choose, you must be having a first of all you must be having the interest in that particular subject which you want to develop. That means if you want to develop your career in sports photography, then you must be having a good interest in that. A talent in a photography is essential for opting for the such career. So sports photographer with a newspaper and in the sports magazine such as Sports Week, Sports World, Khel Khiladi, etc. These are the various magazines in which the photography are to be published. So they must be having the interest. So you can also develop the career as a sports photographer. Then book publishing. Now, if you are going to publish any of the books which are being related to the physical education, sports or games, or any of the related to the players injuries or players performance, then you might be having the knowledge related to the particular subject. For example, if you are talking related to any of the injuries, if you want to publish the book, but in publishing, editing and everything is been required, but if you are not having the knowledge that a particular person, an individual cannot do everything. So here what happens that the person, the physical education educator or the physical education teacher, they are having the knowledge related to that, or those who have done the education, those who have taken the education in physical education, they are having the knowledge of the different sub-disciplines of physical education like biomechanics, sports psychology. So they are they will be able to publish, and they will be able to edit each and everything properly. So here we can say that editorial work which are needed, who are familiar with the demand of the publication in the areas related to the physical education and sports. This type of job requires a knowledge of physical education, writing and editorial skill. This must be having all these things, and only then it has been possible, and you can develop the career as a book publishing also. Then sports broadcasting. You have seen that live matches, you have seen in our television, in our mobile, we have seen, but these are broadcasting are being done by the very famous personalities who are having a good knowledge related to this radio, television station, including the cable television and local, regional and national level. Sports broadcasting requires only knowledge of the games, but also having the ability to communicate clearly. So a reporter must have a detailed knowledge about the game, because he or she is regarded by the public as an expert of the game. He must have the background information of at least a famous player. For example, if they used to broadcast any other particular player, then they must be having the particular knowledge related to the famous players. And he or she must be able to speak well in front of the cameras or media, microphone. They must be able to speak well. The practical experience can contribute a lot to one's success in getting the entry level position in the career. So here you can also develop your career as in sports broadcasting. Then 6th point we are having as a marketing. Now you have seen that in games, health and fitness and physical activities, the sale of the various sports good are required. So here what happens, job opportunity in the marketing, like selling of the sports equipment. You need to go from one place to another place to sell your equipment, sports equipment. That has been increased, but jobs are being available as a salesperson, manufacturer and representative. The career in the marketing and selling of the sports equipment are challenging, but the salaries of the marketing manager or sales representative and the salesperson depends upon the sales of the product. Whatever the product they used to sell, only on the basis of that they are going to get the salary. So here you can also develop the career as a marketing. Then as in a sports industry, you can also develop your career, because in sports industry that means that you can have a small scale sports industry where you can manufacture, or when you can develop the t-shirts and tracksuits, shoes related to the sports, and or you can have a tie up with the companies, and then afterwards you can be a salesperson, like you can have, or you can have your own sports industry, and you can also manufacture these t-shirts and tracksuit footwear, and according to the new design and everything which has been going on current situation, you can develop or you can manufacture in that way. So sports equipment and new types of tracksuits or the swimming suit which are being beneficial for increasing the performance of the sports person. You can you've also observed that many times the new products are being coming in the market, which is beneficial for improving the sports performance. So here is an example is been given, like previously what happened, the loose shorts were being used as for a sprinter. They used the sprinter who used to sprint, they are wearing the loose shorts, where which was not that much beneficial for them. But nowadays, due to the biomechanics and physiology and everything are being required in the field of physical education, and due to that their research has been done, and nowadays you may find out that they used to prefer the skin tight shorts. So that is more beneficial for the increasing the performance, because these shorts have the less air resistance and keep the sprinter active and agile. So here they are the air resistance, so that do not used to bind the performance of a performer, and they can perform well. So sports industry also you can develop your career. So these are the careers in the media communication. So we have learned the 3 careers today. That is in case of the careers in communication media. Then we have learned communication. We are having in communication media. Then we have learned performance related career, and then we have also learned related to the administration related career. So you can prepare the notes on the basis of this. Thank you.